What's up, everybody? So, got some tools in the mail today, and I thought it would be a good time for an unboxing video. I've never done one before, so I'm going to kind of just wing it. But before we do that, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that has liked and subscribed. If you have, if you haven't, please consider. It's pretty cool seeing the channel grow. And also, just genuinely thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos or pointers to make them better, leave them in the comments below. And hopefully they're getting better. Either way, let me know. All right, guys. So first box we have is from Rocky Mountain Leather Supply. Pretty excited for this one. So I can't wait any longer. Let's get this thing opened. So, first off, got a bunch of Ritza tiger thread, a little bit of leather for a project somebody asked me to make. Excuse all of the saran wrap noise unless you're into that stuff. So it is orange, something new, camo. Got a customer who's a big Tennessee volunteer fan, volunteer, and he wants something in orange. So I got a couple pieces, try to see what we can make for him. And the part I'm most excited about. It is a Dream Factory stitching pony. So hopefully this will be a lot better than my Amazon special that I've been working with. Clamps at the table. I got the medium size just because I wasn't trying to go overkill, but just the quality right off the bat is super noticeable difference. And I'll try to get some side-by-side comparisons once I open the other box and all that stuff. And now for this one. So this one is from Palo Santo, I think that's how you say it. Surprisingly, the shipping was a lot faster than I thought it was going to be, coming, international. They got it out pretty quick. In case you were wondering, just Benchmade. Yeah. Yes. So I got scratch all. Let me adjust this light. And then I also got 2 edge bevelers. These things are really nice. Got a number 2. I don't know if you can see that. And then also a number 1. Figure if I was gonna order, I might as well order a couple, take advantage of that free shipping. And last but not least, a French Skyver. So this is a number 4. I thought I got a bigger size, but I guess I didn't. Yeah. All right, so it also comes with this stropping block to keep the French Skyver sharp. So it's got basically all of this area to keep this edge polished. then also you can flip it over and run this along here to clean up that top edge. And I'm not sure, but I wonder, I guess I have to look up how to keep these sharp, but I wonder if you could almost sharpen these on there as well. Not sure, I'll have to do some research on that to find out. But it also came with a pretty good hunk of compound, so that's pretty cool. All in all, super happy with these. At least now, like I haven't had a chance to use them yet. All right, so I couldn't not try these edge bevelers out. So this is the number 2 on a piece of scrap that I have here. First time using them. I mean, this is just razor sharp right out of the box. So again, that's the number 2. So here's the number 1 edge beveler. And these are right out of the box. First time using them. Cuts like butter. Super nice. And then some close-ups of the awl. And I guess this is not replaceable, but I mean, it's an awl. And here's the French skyver. The number 4. I'm guessing that's 4 centimeters. Set screws so that way you can replace the end of it. And I've never used one of these before, so I'm kind of learning. This one's pretty firm leather. Let me see if I have something that's this stuff is usually pretty flimsy. I think this is like some 4-ounce leather, and it's usually pretty soft. Pretty good bevel on it. Thing's razor sharp, so definitely need to be careful and watch what I'm doing. So yeah. All right, so this is the stitching pony that I started with, ordered on Amazon. And for the most part, it's been pretty good. The only issue I had with it was trying to get these to actually tighten down and be even clamping force across the jaws was kind of a pain in the butt. But other than that, I mean, it served its purpose. When I started out, I used to sit in a chair with it and have this basically going under my butt and then, stitched. And then once I got this table, I actually clamped it to the side of it. That way I could stand up and stitch. But I think I paid like 25 or 30 bucks for it. Like I said, not hateful, did the job, got me through. Super, after watching a couple reviews online and videos and stuff and seeing a lot of people recommend these, kind of Rocky Mountain had them. in stock, so I was able to get it a little bit faster than ordering direct. And overall, just in what little bit I've messed with it, I think it's going to be an awesome addition. So it does have, what side is it? It's got magnets, so that way you can hold your needles. I'm not sure if it's on both sides. It's on both sides. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's got the spring tension in there, so it'll basically automatically open as you unscrew it. Got their nice logo with instructions on tightening and loosening it. Then the other side, this is the tension knob to angle it back and forth. And then down here on the bottom, where the tightening knob is to screw this together, it's got this nice, looks like brass maybe, little clamping foot. So looks like it's pretty solid little stitching pony. So I'm excited to get to try it, and I will definitely do a review video once I put a little bit of miles on it and let you guys know what I think. So yeah, and same thing with the bevelers and stuff like that. If you guys are interested in a review video, let me know and I can get one of those posted up. So thanks.